Rile Mfokeng, Riboni, when the season started. Actually, I remember from last season. Last season under Ribeiro, Mfokeng was like a special player. He did almost everything for Orlando Pirates, played almost every tournament. And then Ali Lucky last season, Abalidi injured Mfokeng. And then he played so well that he became nominated for Footballer of the Season. Unfortunately, Ribeiro Amoshapa. But it was still special for a 20-year-old to go up against Abantabatala, so which means the boy had hope. One young player of the season. Ribeiro leaves, new season starts, preseason go Pirates, via overseas. He's the one that's scoring the goals. He's the one that's creating. We come back to the PSL. Now there's a lot of rotation, Lapaya. Ozuna Police all of a sudden is playing. Yambona ukuthi Ozuna Police uphethe uTsepa Ngomoreng Mwenzani who really had to adjust to number 10. He played well, got injured for a few games, and then Abuya aba promising wahamba waya AFCON. When he got to the AFCON, we saw a different side of Rile. We've never seen Rile play so poorly. We've never seen Rile get a clear-cut chance amazing. So Betway Premiership, he goal. Even if but against the Chiefs, Rile atola a chance we shanga phakathi. I think even he was disappointed in himself. I know what I'm capable of. He comes back, second game into the league for him against him Casey Howell. Plays well, we are creator, we are scorer, which means he settled goal position at number 10. But now, there's a debate. Relay is better playing local. Ngoba ko Bafana Bafana ngathi jezi liyasinda. Tuzokuba thoma ka wena. Relebogile Mfokeng should focus. Go dlala Pirates. He's happier there. He's playing well. And forget about Bafana Bafana. Or are we being too harsh?
No, you're being too harsh, man. You're being too harsh. There's no way you can forget about Bafana Bafana. I think he's one of our greatest prospect going forward. I think definitely he's in the World Cup squad. And being in the World Cup squad at his age is such an achievement. And what's difficult to go PSL is to keep that consistency up. That's why you've never seen someone win Player of the Season twice in a row. You can check all the Player of the Seasons from the Tekom Dise, from the Spuso Vilagazi, Johannes Herrero, right? You play this season, you are there. But next season to keep there, it's difficult because now also teams now they were playing against Relay, not like the first season. The Antwana Pirates, yeah, he had the freedom, he had the confidence. Now teams, when they go playing, first player is Relay when they play Pirates. Now they're doing things different to Relay, and that's when now the experience of in being the PSL comes where now he must adjust his gameplay. Unfortunately, he got injured, and for me, I think he went to the AFCON with the confidence was different because he was not playing much, and he knew, and we all saw that he was not the Relay like that was on form going to the AFCON. But we took him to the AFCON knowing what he can do because we saw what he can do like the previous season. So him going to the AFCON, it was the doubt in his head. Also, when he got a chance, when he was playing, you could see he was a different Relay because he went there with a different confidence. The confidence was not like the previous season. But for that, he must be written off the national team. There's no ways. Because Kame Relay, whereby he's adjusted, he's a seasoned campaigner in the PSL. He goes to the national team and he's going to give us something. And he's one for the future. So World Cup, he'll be there. And hoping that he goes there with the form that he has now. It will be a different Relay in the World Cup.
Nsunda, Rile Mfokeng, are you happy with them at Bafana Bafana, Lego Pirates or Andan?
As I said, both. I think him going to the AFCON, I think the coach took him because of he knew what he can do. And so when he was doing well the last season, he was the one that was in the bid with Temba, also carrying Bafana, in the qualifiers and all that. So we went to AFCON. We were asking ourselves, where is the Relay? And then obviously what we spoke about before Mbogazi, Nkota. I think that thing had an impact on him before he got injured, of Nkota leaving. That's when we saw the form Uti Upoya Ngatageko. Because obviously as a player, you're a player like previous season both dominate. Usually as a player, the following season, like angifunding ball, angikho emzansi. So also he had those expectations, and when that did not happen, maybe he was trying to ukuthi abuye Real. Then boom, Nkota leaves. Then it's like, hey, That means because you ask yourself as a player, even though you know that you are that good, Uti, Eshminang Ay man. Even though you know if the time is not right, it's not right. So yeah, now he went to the AFCON. Basically, there was a debate about him going to the AFCON. That should have told us a lot of things to say. Asiko sure because of his form. Mara yena uyabona ukuthi now the boys uyabuya. Uyawuzwa bakalibamba uyazi. Hayi lastly. Yeah. So for me, I end up saying both now because as Tuso also said, now he has to change how he plays. Because manje ama-team ayabona ukuthi okay problem khona wakutshelayo ukuthi indoda awuthi kumtshayisa nje kayi-1 lapho sibone ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. So now he has to come out now, but you can see him now, he's coming out and now he's enjoying. You can see the combinations with him, Apolis and Remy. Now you see the relay, the old relay. Let's just hope he'll be injury free and free of mind. Adlale the way adlala ngakhona, obvious World Cup. Yeah, World Cup.
Yes, masimbheka urile I mean uthomile udlala kanako tsa Buthembi Nkosi Lodge Orlando Pirates nake naganyane and then obviously he became a favorite, crowd favorite. I'd like to say now he is the face of the league. Mhaunkocha comes from Go DDC. He finds Rile playing Mole. Rile I think had like a season and a half. Nkota mthotsi Rile sadadile full season plus half a season. It takes Nkota 6 months, boom, saya overseas. It takes Nkota 6 months, boom, Bafana. Again, Bafana Nkota, sharp important goal. Plays careful for Orlando Pirates, go Algeria, destroys the Algerians. Nkota Wamona, he's taking players on. Each time, coach, even there were times where Ribeiro Asamukeni, the supporters started complaining to say that I'm fair to play Nkota. Nkota made Orlando Pirates supporters forget about Napoli Saleng at some point because Nkota was playing that position so well. Doesn't maybe Nkota leaving for overseas before really mean that Nkota is just a better player?
In football, like for me, that's my opinion that in football there's moments. Yeah. So as a player, come big moments is where you see big players, right? So now, as a player, like come that moment, if you are ready mentally and you are at the right place and you are with the right coach, and then they'll say, you are lucky. But that's football. Football has moments. So Nkota took his moments. The moment came where the Rile was not there. He was the one scoring. He went to Pirates was playing CAF. He went all the way to the final. They were winning cups. He's involved. He took that moment, right? And then for me, when you ask me, because he went overseas or he scored those goals, is he a better player? I look at it like, no, for me, Mfukeng is a better player because what Mfukeng has done in a year, not 6 months.
Yeah, but
for me,
did what Mfukeng did in a year in 6 months.
Yes. Yes, he went overseas. The players who went overseas doesn't mean they're better.
But don't scouts from abroad come to SA and select players based on Andwana Untwembu, we can use you. And look at the offer that team made for Nkota.
Yeah.
Has there been an offer like that for Rile? We're not sure yet if there's been an offer like that. Mara Nkota bamsayina ngemali engaka in just 6 months, Rile within a year. All we've had a kiddy speculation.
Yeah.
That I maintain. I mean, I ask again, doesn't this mean Nkota is the better player? You talk about moments.
Yeah.
Rile failed to take his moment for AFCON. When Nkota got a call up, he took his moment. So much so that Hugo Bruce was like, Tanzabe final squad Sianko AFCON.
Yeah.
When Nkota got a chance to play Kokev, he took his moment. I got an important goal.
Yep.
Has really taken his moments. And if really has taken his moments, then what did he do better than Nkota?
For me, like, what he did better is that he played a season. He carried Pirates. For me, like, Nkota didn't do that. He had moments where he went to the CAF, he went to the won the cup. Those moments. Really did that for a season. That's why he was nominated player of the season, right? For me, really did that. Because you're asking me, like, what do I think about him? He did that for me. And I don't think Nkota can do that for a season. I don't think Nkota will carry a Pirates alone. There was a Rivero Pirates was a Pirates, all the players were on form, right? And then in football, it happened that Nkota was signed overseas. Lucky for him, good for the boy, good for the country that he went overseas. For me personally, I still think Relay he's a better player. That's my opinion. But Nkota went overseas, Bokasi now went overseas. It makes them at that moment like they are better. He's a better defender, he's a better winger. But for me personally, even Muremi, he's taking his moments. Now people will start recognize him, right? If he does that for a season, he's a season campaigner, and you say Muremi is a better player than Nkota, but you say Nkota, he took Pirates to the CAF, he signed a big contract in 6 months. No, like that's how just football, how things work out differently for them at a certain time. But for me personally, Relay is a better player than Nkota.
So ngicela ukufaka lana. What defines a good player? Maybe sizobamba the ratings. What defines a good player? According to you, Masita Mfethu, this is a good player. Sifunani kuye?
I think for me, it's you look at his attitude. What is he doing for the team? You know, not individual. You know, individual will need it, but send a plan. Kona says you would okay, we give this person the ball. So for me, young overseas should see another debate. I just wanna make an example. Guti. It's like us saying Guti. Right now, let's say at Pirates, who's the player that we know we go for? Apolli sang it. But Mremi is coming in. So let's say Mremi gets an offer, he goes overseas. We'll say Mremi is better than Apollis. No, we can't. Hence, I'm saying, Guti, what Thuso is saying is that Nkota had his moments. And Nkota, who really had offers, it shows how important he is to the brand of Pirates. He had a lot of offers, but sifuni imali engaka. But Nkota velile bayabona but a chance. But I know hamba but it's no rim. So it means that maybe Pirates didn't want to let go of Mfokeng because they had no replacement for him. But Nkota overseas, good for the boy, he's gone. But there's Mremi now. Njengoba uceda ukusho ukuthi there was selling out kwavela uNkota. So they look at that. So it shows how important he is. And that's how you see Guti star player list. Because of they know Guti, they have that. Maybe by the time they get that offer that they want, and they know they have a replacement for him, then the boy will go. Mind you, the team was even with Mbogazi is gone. Now people were saying CBC has always been there. But now what Pirates did was like CMI is there. So Fagumatala Lapa, or Podlela Ngene, are stabilized. But they were playing both of them. So that's where you see, okay. They knew what they were doing because Mbogazi was carrying that defense, let's be honest. Yeah, Pax. So now you have that player. Hence, I'm saying good here. Any day, really. My man. The whole day. Hence, I'm saying Kota had his moment and now he was doing what he needs to. Because as players, we are different. You know, I think we always speak about Minano too, so outside to say we are different. There's things that I used to do that Thuso couldn't do. There's things that Thuso could do that I couldn't do. So even we have got we are vela. I want bonile man fucking weekend. La paya ngithi uyaphatha mina. Ngibona uchipezeze uyadive.
I know. There you have it. Relebogile Mofokeng is a good player. According to the legends in studio, but he focus on both Mfana Gitsi Pirates and Bafana. It's just that you went to the AFCON ungena form because you had just come from an injury, but it doesn't take away from how much of a good player you are. And then Spagu Mhaonkota nyana lapha nasibona ukuthi ne man, why did Mhaonkota leave first? Mhaonkota took his moments. Relebogile Mofokeng is just too important, so the team can't just release him but via Mfana because the replacement yakhe ayikho.